consumption module shows us the consumption of both heating, electricity, and water. But there is also a total tab. The total tab gives us a brief overview of all consumption types. One graph with electricity and heating, and one graph with water consumption. At the bottom of each graph, we can see black numbers indicating building actions for the building. Building actions are events or actions that happen in the building that can cause a change in consumption. To edit or add more building actions, you go up to the right, the cogwheel, accessing the module menu. Go down to building actions, and here you can edit or add new actions. As a standard, you will see the graphs in a trend view. It's also possible to look at them in a monthly view, the grouped bar chart. This is the same for all all tabs. The difference is as for the specific tabs, you will see a reference here, both in the bar chart as well as in the trend chart as a dashed line. For all graphs, you can also rescale the graph or move to look at a specific part of the graph. For all media types, you can also look at the data as a data table. And in the top right corner, you will see the chosen reference year. It's usually the year before we install eGain and start controlling the building, but also the building area used to spread the energy or consumption data over. If you do not want to look at KPIs up here, you can, way here to the right, choose to look at it as totals instead, or switch back to KPIs. Going forward, I'm looking at the water tab to look at meters. Here to the left, you have a meter list, and pre-selected is the total meter. Total meter can be configured to choose which meters that adds up to the sum. And in this case, you can see 2 meters that's being added together to create the total. We can also go in and look at a specific meter. And if the meter supports and collects high resolution data, we can, under detailed here, look at both daily values at a predefined 6-month period or 1-month period, or if we choose 7-day or 1 day, we can also look at hourly values. If you want more meters, you can, here at the plus sign, add both physical and virtual meters. Physical could be for manual input to follow up something that's not directly connected. And virtual meters can be used to create new values and meters from existing meters, creating new sum or sub-meter values.